Cash App Instant Deposit usually fails when your linked debit card doesn't support instant transfers, your bank blocks fast settlement, or your Cash App account has a temporary security hold. By the end of this, you'll know how instant deposit actually works, what causes it to fail, and the exact fixes that usually get it working again. Start by checking your linked debit card. Instant deposit only works with supported debit cards. Not every bank card will qualify. If your card is unsupported, the option may appear, but the transfer will fail at the final step. Next, open the transfer screen and check the status message. Cash App usually shows whether the deposit is processing, failed, or returned to balance. Now, check your bank account for any alerts. Some banks block instant transfers automatically if they detect unusual activity or new transfer patterns. Next, make sure your Cash App balance is fully settled. If funds are still pending from a recent payment, instant deposit may not process until everything clears. Now, check your card details inside Cash App. An expired or recently replaced debit card will stop instant deposit from working. Next, confirm your internet connection during the transfer. If the connection drops mid-transfer, the request can fail, even if everything else is correct. Now, check if you recently changed devices or logged in from a new phone. That can trigger a temporary security verification that pauses fast withdrawals. Next, try removing your debit card and adding it again. That resets the connection between Cash App and your bank for instant deposit processing. Now, update the Cash App app. Older versions sometimes fail to communicate correctly with banking systems for fast transfers. Next, log out and log back in after making changes. That refreshes your account session and clears temporary transfer errors. If instant deposit still fails, try switching to a different supported debit card if you have one. Some banks simply do not support instant payout rails even if standard transfers work. Now, check if Cash App has placed any restrictions on your account. Repeated failed transfers or flagged activity can temporarily disable instant deposit. If nothing works, contact your bank and ask if they are blocking instant debit deposits from Cash App. Most failures happen at the bank level, not inside Cash App itself. Then contact Cash App support with the exact error message and timestamp. To sum it up, check card support, verify bank restrictions, and reset your debit card connection. Next, always confirm your bank supports instant transfers before retrying. If this guide helped, like the video. Subscribe for more Cash App fixes, transfer troubleshooting, and everyday payment solutions.